What's up everyone, Chiropractor here, and in this video you are going to learn how to fix your forward head posture and fix your cervical neck curve. Forward head posture or loss of cervical curve can create a whole host of problems, from migraines or headaches or brain fog to muscular tension at the base of the skull that wraps over the sides. It can create tension and pain into the mid-neck and even into the upper shoulders. And in this video, you are going to learn how to correct your forward head posture, correct that cervical curve by using two super simple tools. One is a band, the other is a towel. Let's do it. Forward head posture is a result of adaptations from a chronically problematic postural position. Now, if you play on your phone too much, if you watch TV a little too often, if you are a desk-based worker or a driver, chances are you have got a loss of this cervical curve. Your head is forward in its position and it is creating a whole host of problems for yourself in your health and how you feel on a daily basis. So you may notice aches, pains of the shoulders, the neck, the upper neck into the base of the skull, maybe headaches, maybe migraines. These are all classic symptoms of a forward head posture. Now, I have done a previous video that looks at text neck or tech neck or nerd neck, which is essentially the same problem. The neck drops forward into a problematic position that creates tension and problems for you. And you can check out that previous video right here. But in this video, we're going to go one step further and we're going to start using some tools to strengthen and stretch to a deeper level those problem areas. So the first thing that we're going to do is towel mobilizations. We're going to take our towel, we're going to place it over the base of the neck, right at the bottom, and we're going to apply a little bit of traction down. Now from here, what we can do, this is a rotational stretch, is we're going to swap hands over. So our left hand is going to take the right hand side of the towel and our right hand is going to take the left hand side of the towel. Now from here, we're going to stretch the right hand side of our neck and we're going to apply slight traction straight down on the left hand side of the towel with our right hand, while our left hand pulls the towel forwards and then across our jawline. Now, as we do this, we're going to carry on stretching towards our left shoulder. And we can repeat this through a rep range of 20 reps. 20 reps on both sides. Now we're going to do this 3 times, so that's 60 reps in total for the left and the right sides. Even if you feel tight on one side and not the other side, don't just do it one side. We want to work evenly. Now, if you feel lightheaded at any point during this exercise, you may be pulling too far across on one side as you rotate through the other side. What you're actually doing is strangling yourself, and I don't want anybody to pass out while doing this exercise, so please reposition the towel, pull down or across away from your neck as you take the tension across the opposite side. Now, before we move into the next exercise, if you haven't already done so, hit that like button and let me know that this content is valuable to you and I will keep making it for you. In this next exercise, we're going to be looking at towel-assisted flexion and extension movements of our cervical spine. Now, what this is going to do is going to place pressure on the cervical spine in the correct place that allows the curve to flex and extend in the right way. Now, we're not doing this as an exercise, so we shouldn't really be firing the muscles up too much. What we're doing is encouraging the curve to occur in the right place. Now, again, we're going to take our towel. We're going to place it at the base of the skull, nice and low down, and what we're going to do is apply a little bit of traction downwards. Now from here, we're going to allow our chin to move towards our chest, maintaining that pressure as we do it, and we're going to come up and extend backwards and up towards the ceiling. and back down. We do it nice and slowly in a controlled fashion. This is going to encourage the correct area of that spine to actually flex and extend, which is ideal because that is where we are losing our cervical curve. Now, we are going to do this exercise for a total of 20 reps, 4 times, so that's 80 reps in total. Have a little break in between if you need to. Again, you shouldn't be feeling any tension or strain on the muscles as you do this. Now, what we're going to do next is create a dynamic strengthening movement, and we're going to do this by using a power band. We don't have to ditch the towel. This is actually going to create a nice bit of cushioning for our neck, because these power bands really do dig into the skin and it can become quite uncomfortable. So what we're going to do is we're going to place our power band on top of the towel. Now from here, we are grasping the power band and not the towel. What we're going to do is we're going to apply pressure in a slightly more forward direction. Hold that tension. Now from here, we're going to carry on doing our extension and flexion exercises. But what you're going to find is, as we come up and extend backwards and look towards the ceiling, the pressure on the band is going to increase and engage a little bit more muscular activation. So it's going to look like this. If those muscles are a little bit too tight for you or are fatiguing very quickly, you might want to check out one of my previous videos, which is where we look at self-massaging the muscles of the neck and the shoulders to allow us to move into doing more strength-based activities. You can check that out right here. Alternatively, there is another video right here that might be more interest to you. And if you haven't already done so, hit the like button, click subscribe, tap that bell icon, do all of those things, and I'll see you next time.